Hello and welcome to the presentation all the data visible as clear as day in the Bizmaster Online system. Here we are just in the first tab Invoices. We have selected June 2019. Let's choose August 2020. Here we see the invoices from August. Here I can use my mouse to reveal more details. It's an invoice with 20 line items. Here is the total amount. Let's pick maybe... Alright. Here is an invoice with 30 line items. By clicking here, I can see the basis of issuing it. In other words, what was exported into it. And by clicking one of the links, I can go to the delivery note. The delivery note has been opened and it has 28 line items. If I click back in my web browser, I'll go back to the invoice. By clicking forward, I'll go to the delivery note again and back to the invoice. The web address of the document can be copied from the address bar so it can be emailed to a coworker, for instance. By clicking preview here, I can see a preview of the invoice. So there we go. This is how easy it is to open any invoice. On the Delivery Notes tab, the principle is the same. I can open any delivery note. On the Items tab, I can open any product or service. For instance, we have the Seaweed Green Sheets. I can see the stock level of it. Here I have all my customers. In the same way, I can get to them quickly. Let's see how we can quickly access our customers during issuing an invoice. We can pick from a list or enter the first letters or enter the VAT number here to search. Here, similarly, we have our products and services. During editing the document, we can keep an eye on the stock levels. Let's go to the purchase invoices. Here we have our purchase invoices. This is just an invoice for products, which has already been included in the accounting records because the invoice number has been entered. Let's see the purchase order. The purchase order for the supplier. In this example, we have a phone invoice. So we have entered here just the summary amount. Here are our other purchase orders. Let's go to the suppliers. Here we simply have the supplier data. Shall we see how quickly we can view, for instance, our VAT sale report? By clicking here, I view the report. Let's see another feature. Here we can print out a price list. For instance, if we have as much as 1000 pieces in stock, or actually more than 1000, we will offer a 25% discount, and remarks, this is a presentation. Let's see the price list. The prices are with 25% discount. In this case, these are the gross prices, because recently we have used gross prices on an invoice, so the system has used the VAT inclusive prices. And the remarks, this is a presentation. Now the inventory. Here we'll see how we can time travel. I pick the 30th of August first and download. Click here, open. Let's see the cider vinegar item. Cider vinegar, 631 pieces. Let's print the inventory again for the 31st of August. Download it as a PDF. Scroll down again. Cider vinegar, 1000 pieces. So here the system is allowing me to look at the end of a day I pick to track the inventory levels. This is only an example. Bizmaster Online is designed in a way which lets us to retrospectively provide a historical report based on your historical data, by criteria which might even not seem to be easy to consider, but thanks to the architecture of the Bizmaster Online system, we can provide this on request. Therefore, we invite you to contact us. The email address is below. You can also use the contact form on the Bizmaster Online site. The next feature is the payments. In this case, you can see the purchase invoices. It's 111 days in arrears. It's one invoice, £100,000 left to pay. We see this invoice because here is selected that we are interested in purchase invoices whose payment due date has expired 100 days ago. If I double click it or click here or press enter, I see the first installment added, £89,000. I could click add here to add a remaining payment, but I click cancel. Now let's see the recorded payments. Here I see my payments which I've entered. It doesn't matter if a payment was entered during editing a document or using this payments tool. In both cases, I'll see here my historical payments. In this case, all of them are on the same day, because here we have such date range selected and we look for the sale invoices. Let's go back to the Payments tab. This time, let's pick the sale invoices and see the list of them. Here we can download it or print it out. It's a list of unpaid sale invoices whose payment due date expired 0 days ago as of today. We can close this report. And the last report is the graphs. Here it's about the monthly sums of sale and purchase, or sales by item, or sales by customer. On the first one, we can see the numbers for a time period selected by us. So let's pick maybe from September. So this time it's from September 2019 to August 2020, broken down by month. We can see here, for instance, sale in May, £154,000. If I click one of the options on the legend, it will disappear from the graph. I can view the summary of all months by clicking Total. Here I can go to the sales by item. Here I have the report of sales by products and services. Currently, it shows the top 10 items. At the moment, it's viewed by the quantities. Let's compare it to the view by values in pounds. As we can see, it looks a bit differently. Maybe let's go to the monthly view. We can check out any month here, for example, the August 2020. By values, the mushroom is almost £80,000, and by quantities it's almost 18,000 pieces. Here we can see the sales by customer report. Likewise, we have the following options. We can see it summed up. We can see, for instance, the top 15 customers, and group it here by the VAT number. Grouping by VAT number is useful if the customers are entered with different addresses but with the same VAT number. Thank you so much for watching, and please register on the Bizmaster Online site.